This is a 2024 Porsche 911. This is a 992 Carrera protected with a Halo Mini. If a thief got the key to this, went to steal it, they're going to be unable to drive it because the vehicle's just going to be locked in park until we prove that it's us. To do that, we go through a code 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a flash from the hazards instantly, and we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, it activates straight away, confirmed with 2 flashes. And if a thief tried to grab your key when you pulled up at home, went to steal your vehicle, it's going nowhere because it's active instantly. So we can start it, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a flash, select our gear. Nice and simple. If we're taking this vehicle back to Porsche to get serviced, we want to turn the system off, we don't want to hand over the code, we can do that. So we keep our foot off the brake, we turn the ignition on, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to hold the last button in our push sequence for 15 seconds until we get 5 flashes. That turns the system off entirely. It's as if it's not fitted. This doesn't expire, so as long as it stays at the dealer, it's going to be a normal vehicle. We've got our 5 flashes, that means service mode is active. So now, say it's at the dealer, you hand them the key, you don't need to worry about giving a code to them. They can service it, road test it, do whatever they need to do. It goes into gear as if you don't have a system on here, you don't have a Halo Mini. When you get the car back, it's the same process to switch the system back on to make your vehicle secure again. So foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in and hold the last button for 15 seconds and wait for 1 flash. This confirms it's out of service mode, your vehicle's secure again and you don't need to worry about it being stolen. So we'll turn it off, confirm we get our double flash activation, and we'll just give it a test to make sure we've turned it off correctly. So we try and drive away without putting our code in. The vehicle's going nowhere, it's not coming out of park. So 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, we can select a gear. Our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Halo Mini on a 992 Porsche 911 Carrera 2024 plate. Thanks for watching.